So if you want to track individual pages using your Facebook pixel, this is how you can do it. So let's say you have an e-commerce website and you have a pixel that covers all of your website, but you want to track specific pages or links inside of your Facebook advert or your Facebook ads manager using your Facebook pixel. This is how you can do it. So you want to log into your business.facebook.com and you want to look for your data sources. So you can find your data sources under your business manager or your events manager. All right. So if you come to your data sources, here we are under the events tab. So these are the events that has happened on the website. So you see this add event button here. So if you click on add event, you select the pixel that you want to add or the pixel that you want to use to track this event. So you click on it and you want to put the particular URL. So this is an individual URL. So remember, we currently track the whole website, but we want to create custom events for this particular page. So this individual page. So you paste the website here, you click on add events right here. So once you click on add event, it's going to bring you to this particular page. So this is actually a thank you page that I currently want to use or that I currently want to track. And let's say I want everybody that lands here to be considered a lead, all right, or to be considered a purchase or anything. So I have one button here and I can do it in two ways. I can either track the button or I can track the entire URL. So if I wanted to track the entire URL, which simply means everybody that lands on this page would be considered either a lead or a purchase, I can just say track URL, and this is the whole URL. All right, you can select here, you select the event. So I'm going to call this a purchase because this is going to be the thank you page. So only people who land here would have made the purchase. So you can do this for any of your pages that you want. So you can select the currency, the value. All right. So if you have, as you can see here, if you have for e-commerce, if you have your initiate checkout price, you can use the price from there. But if you do not have a price, you can choose the value here. So this is basically telling Facebook how much you consider this individual. So as you can see, I have a price here and it has picked it. That simply means everybody who lands on this page would be considered to have made or completed this purchase. So you can say don't include price and you can proceed. So you can just say click confirm and this event has been tracked as purchases. So anybody that lands on this website would be considered a purchase or a lead if you wanted. So let's say we want to track this button. You can just come here, click on track new button, and you can just select the button. So let's say anybody who clicks on this button is probably, let's say, purchase to or a lead, but you can just say lead in this case. Again, you can add a value if you wanted. You can even change the currency, but I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to use NGN. And you can basically just click on confirm. So this is how you can track individual pages using your Facebook pixel.